Alright artists, buckle up, because today I'm teaching you how to draw a colored pencil bird so fabulous it might just fly off the page. Yes, it takes time. So breathe in, patience out. First, draw a square. Don't overthink it, just a square. Then plop a circle inside it to mark the bird's round little body. Now add a few guideline lines so you know where the head, wings, and face go. Once it looks like a confused geometry project, lightly erase and redraw the outline with colored pencils. The bird's eyes? Make them super black! But leave a tiny shiny highlight unless you want the bird to look soulless. For the head feathers, start with black, then layer blue, purple, and pink like you're making a magical feathery smoothie. Use strokes that are soft at both ends and heavier in the middle, because stiff feathers are not invited to this party. And remember, feather lines should not stand in parallel like soldiers in a parade. They need to vibe, relax, and look fluffy. Having an aha moment yet? Good! Give this a like in your heart. Next, the beak. Black with a touch of blue, yellow, gold shine. Fancy, I know. The wings get the same color magic as the head. Slow fade from dark to light, layer by layer. Like an ombre hairstyle, but bird edition. For the pink feathers, lay a base of pink. And then shade with red and purple on the left and bottom sides to give it that juicy 3D effect. After that, add texture. Same fluffy technique as before. If you forget, scroll up and pretend you knew it all along. Bird claws? Easy. Black and dark blue. The left one darker because it's farther back. Hello, depth. Now the branch. Start with brown. Then add grass green and yellow green to draw the leaves. Don't be neat here. Messy leaves look more natural and are easier. Win-win. Finally, touch up the tiny details. Deepen the shadow on the belly. Add a few extra hairs, adjust the colors, and boom! You're done! Now go draw it! Your bird is waiting for you.